You can hear how excited I was.
Ah, this is so fun! Let's go check out the golf ball building.
And then I gave a prophetic warning. What a great day, though, for filming. Look at that.
I know.
The reflection of the ocean.
So
From-
Oh, by far beautiful. Yeah.
From the other side on the horizon. What a great building.
Oh man, you can see the reflection of the ocean and the horizon is level.
I think I just said that.
Come check this video out. Oh my god. Look at see the level, the ocean?
Yes.
I got a little glint. I'm gonna go up here.
Yeah, I wanted to get that reflection going up too.
I was so excited.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
The
Then-
suspense.
Yeah, you can see the reflection
Oh,
of the
I
city.
love reflective buildings. I have a serious droner. If you're gonna go around the other side of the building, make sure you set your return to home higher than the buildings, by the way.
And so I leave my obstacle avoidance off, which I shouldn't have. And that's the only excuse that I have. This was totally my fault. User error, absolutely. I will take it. I was in a rush to get up there and fly, and I didn't take the time to do any of my usual pre-flight checks. And anyway, now back to the carnage.
Just to let you know. Uh-oh. Speaking of which, return to home.
I thought I was above the building.
It would be a very good test for those sensors too.
No, I didn't cancel it, but I have mine set higher, like I just said. Uh-oh.
You can hear it. Listen carefully.
That's it. There's my drone. Bye. See it falling? What the f? Let's go find it. You guys stay here. What happened?
A lot of bleeps from your pal Ken.
What happened?
Yeah. So what happened was just user error. Let me go back to here very quickly, and I'll try to freeze the frame right before, and you can see the reflection. You see?
Oh no.
That's my
As
favorite view.
it's
You can
last
see the eyes.
last millisecond. This part here was what actually hit the window. This leg hit the window and it's not going to break the window. It's just not. If you're worried about the building, don't worry about the building. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
But
Well, it did clean a part of that building. That part is definitely clean.
oh yeah.
Yeah, spotless.
Yeah, and it did a slow descent, and it was spinning fast.
For a long time, me and Billy were talking about the noise. Just the noise.
Yeah,
I can never
hear
figure
it.
it.
Yeah, it was
Oh,
like
whoa,
jug,
whoa,
jug,
whoa,
jug,
whoa.
jug. It was a horrible noise, but yeah, this is seared in my memory, right here.
Nice view
No,
of
I didn't
Brigantine
cancel it,
there.
but I have mine set higher, like I just.
What did you say? A nice view of what?
The Brigantine, right in the reflection.
Oh
there on
yeah,
the
wasn't
building.
it? Isn't that beautiful? I was terrified. You know, we're laughing, but I was actually terrified. I didn't know where it was going, if it was going to hurt anyone. That's really what I was worried about. I didn't want it to hurt anyone or anything, because I can't afford either.
That was
Yeah,
the longest drive down a parking garage I've ever experienced in my life.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
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 I wanted to reiterate something. Oz said, on activation of return to home, should the aircraft auto-enable obstacle avoidance? I think that there are a couple of different settings within the DJI Go app where if you have obstacle avoidance turned on, it should enable during return to home. And also they've got smart return to home, so the drone would follow the path back to you rather than just fly a straight line. So it's always good to, again, check over your settings, which I have not checked over my settings sometimes also, and I've had a lot of close calls.
Yeah, I'm curious with the reflection if it would actually detect that or not. Because
Yep.
it was pretty clear going in. I don't think, besides the lines where the windows are, I'm not sure if it would actually detect it.
It would.
That smart return to home is great.
It would detect that because on the
Okay.
other side was a pulled shade. It would see that, yeah. But man, yeah. Brandon ran down, and who was that? You flying? So I was being filmed as I was picking pieces up off the road.
This guy.
I
You're-
flew
okay.
my Mavic down.
Okay. All right. So here is that. I put sad music on it. Now he's the guy who ran down, picking up pieces off the road. And who was it that said that a woman picked it up out of the street?
He did.
That was me.
Brent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it landed right in the middle of that street, almost on the double line, actually. But the first car that pulled up, girl, 20, 30, got out. She kind of looked at it. She picked it up, and then I went, hey, from the corner up there. And
Good.
then she just walked it over, dropped it off, and just kept driving.
Yeah, that's not real pawnable stuff at that point.
Yeah.
I mean, if she was just trying to move it out of the street, then that's a nice
Yes.
thing for her to do.
I'm
Yes,
pretty
yes,
sure
yes.
that's what she was trying to
Oh,
do. Yeah.
okay. You see, I went right to thievery.
Yeah.
How sad. And
I
I was
think maybe at first, and then she picked it up and was like, I don't think it sells in pieces like that.
right. Man. And I'm also glad I was able to recover the card because I had that footage from the stuff we had done earlier on that same card, and I'll usually pull that off of there.
Yeah, well, the card was bent, right?
It
Wasn't
was
the
a
card
little
bent
trick.
just a little bit?
It
Yeah.
almost cracked. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have gotten all the footage off there immediately, just in case.
Steve, thank you so much for being the calming force that day. you can tell that you were in law enforcement. And dealing with upset people.
Right.
And thank you for being a calming influence on me. Because
Felt like I was back on the job there for a couple minutes.
yeah, I mean, I don't know if you've noticed, but I can be sort of emotional sometimes.
A little bit.
Once in a while.
But it was understandable.
Yeah. This is the telemetry from the Go app. And it was doing the spinning that we saw. All the way down. There it goes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. No! And you can even see where it landed in the middle of the street.
A sad day.
You know,
It was.
overall, it was really fun meeting everyone. And I had a lot of fun doing that. So, I was able to go and get another one. Luckily, I was able to afford to get another one. What I wanted to do, I wanted to go back and film the same building.
Yeah,
Just-
I wanted to see that as well.
Yeah, I didn't want to let that building beat me. Maybe next Christmas we can all get together and try it again.
I hope
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Redemption.
Yeah, redemption. So, luckily it's foggy. Visibility is for schmucks. We got the recovery team. Hopefully we won't need you guys. How high do you think that building is? I think I asked this before. How high do you think it is?
It's 400 feet higher than you thought it was last time.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. We're gonna have building avoidance on. I didn't have building avoidance on last time. The globe thing is actually, you can't see it from there, but it's actually a sign.
718 feet. You're in meters.
Yeah, so that's 600, that's not enough.
Yes, you need to go up.
Let it stabilize. Good luck. Note to self, don't fly over around the other side of the building, right? Oh, you can see the glow from the sign in the fog. That's fogging-neato. Yeah. Just in case anybody's wondering, I'm not flying over anyone because there's roofs and stuff like that. Oh, isn't it? Oh, I'm getting that same feeling I had. Let me focus. No, the initial feeling was great. The initial feeling was great. Not the subsequent feeling. Somebody's got their eye on it, right? All right. I just need to know how far away from the building I am.
Close.
I am close, okay. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit.
Look above the blue glow.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of an orbit, but not on the other side. Oh, that's neato. That is cool. And I'm not gonna go any further than that. Can you imagine smashing into the sign? Oh my God! How much one of those LEDs is? Yeah, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go over it. Oh, neat. Oh, I am up in the fog. High wind velocity, fly with caution, and land in a safe place ASAP. You got it. I will heed the warning. High wind velocity. Whew. Can you see the drone?
Yeah, big black dot.
Okay, good. Coming down. Let's see where we are. All right. This wasn't really to film the building. This is just to be able to say that we did it without crashing.
Working.
Notice how I lump you in as we. We didn't crash it last year. I did. Look at all of us down there. Just come right into my loving arms. Woo! You made it! Yay! Oh, mwah.
Hey, we need to clap here.
Hey there guys, we are here in Ocean City, New Jersey for the day after Christmas drone flying with Ken Herring. Whew, man, it's awful hot this time of year. Oh, hang on, I'll fix that.
Hey everybody, it's your pal Ken, and everybody from the interwebs. Hey!